Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and Coffee with Craig. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show this Tuesday morning at the Dubai airport. We had a great week with a great weekend, a long weekend with our Dubai Investors Club meetings, and saw lots of real estate, lots of retail as well. Talked to quite a few investors that are interested in coming to Central Eastern Europe, so that's also great news. Maybe a few of them will come join us at MIPIM at our MIPIM stand. Right now we're here in Dubai, just at the airport, but we'll shoot over to our editor-in-chief, Winston Norman, with the headlines in Warsaw at the MRP studios, and we'll be right back right after the headlines. So Winston, let us know what the headlines are.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman and here are the highlights from the news website for today. Retail development pipeline strong in Romania. 2023 saw tenants eager to sign contracts in Poland's regional office markets. Reduced office completions and construction starts for Prague, and SHD to deliver a residential project in Prague 9.
So welcome back. A lot of interesting headlines, and well, can't wait to hear the rest of the news. And a lot going on. 2 weeks from now, we'll be at MIPIM. We have our magazines at the printers now. Great. We've got a super stand at MIPIM, and always looking for last-minute partnerships with our friends and clients. So if you're going to MIPIM and you'd like to take part in our stand, we've got a couple of options to be part of our stand and be part of the cocktail party, which is Wednesday at 2 p.m. on our stand in -1. So please come along to that Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Lots of Chablis rosé, red wine, water, Coke. A lot of interesting people to meet from Western Europe and also Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe. Always a lot of fun. So if you have between 3 and 4 o'clock, if you have time, pop by for a few minutes. It'd be great to see you. After that, we've got our CEE Real Estate Awards going on in Romania at the Athenaeum, at the Anthony Palace Hotel, run by the Intercontinental Group. Great hotel, just remodeled, all brand new ballroom as well. So if you definitely come along to that, the ballroom's a little bit smaller than we're used to using. So if you're coming, book your corporate tables now, because they're still available while they're still available. And and that's April 17th on a Wednesday. Jury dinner's on the Tuesday, as you all know. And then right after that is our Baltic Real Estate Awards up on the Baltic Sea coast, the Polish Riviera, at the Radisson Blu Hotel, brand new hotel, another great place. We had our event there last year. Fantastic hotel and area. Come up, bring the family, stay for the weekend. It's super good. We promise super great weather, sunny, warm. A lot of interesting investors from Scandinavia, the Nordics, Germany, of course, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. A lot of interesting projects from Poland, the whole region. So definitely come along to that. And that is May 23rd, and that'll be our last event before summer. Also, at MIPIM, we also are filming the Coffee with Craig show. So if you would like to be a partner and do an interview during MIPIM, let me know. We've got a lot of things happening there. We've got the whole film crew down. 10-minute interview, goes fast, and we can put it up in the next few weeks as part of our partnership agreement. So let us know if you're interested in that. We can send you some stuff on that. Having said that, we'll shoot right back to Warsaw now. A lot going on the news in Central Eastern Europe and Southeastern Europe, as you heard, and we'll leave you with Preston, and Preston will tell you a little bit about the news, and we will see you all tomorrow with the news, and stay tuned.
Welcome back. And today we'll start in Romania. And Romania's retail stock is set to expand by around 90,000 square meters in 2024. However, the development pipeline is strong for the 2025 to 2028 period, with a few large shopping centres expected to add several hundred thousands of leasable space to the local market, according to Collier's data. In Cluj, Napoca, Julius plans to deliver a mall spanning 100,000 square meters, while Prime Capital and MAS Real Estate will develop in the same city a retail scheme of 70,000 square meters. In Wasi, Prime Capital and MAS will also deliver an extension of nearly 60,000 square meters to Moldova Mall by the end of 2025. And according to Liana Dumitru, Director of Retail Agency at Colliers in Romania, the shift in mindset towards bigger projects shows an increased risk appetite and confidence in the country's longer-term path. There is still room for such sizable shopping in many big cities, including Bucharest, where the problem has been more one of securing adequate land plots with good infrastructure connectivity. Moving to Poland's office market, and in 2023, Poland's largest regional cities delivered around 280,000 square meters of space, bringing the sector's total stock to around 670 million square meters. The new supply slightly increased the vacancy rate, stabilizing around 17.5% at the end of December 2023, reports consulting firm AXI IMO on the situation in Poland's regional office markets. And according to Emilia Trofimuek, research manager at AXI IMO, the situation in terms of new supply in regional office markets is still very dynamic. The nearly 290,000 square meter plan for delivery in 2024 to 2025 should be realized as announced by developers. And Bartosz Olashak, Associate Director at AXI IMO, adds, the relatively high availability of vacant office space presents an opportunity for new players interested in entering the Polish market. And Jakub Potocki concludes, base rents should remain stable and a downward trend is possible in effective rates, especially in older buildings. Moving to the Czech Republic, and in Prague's office market, with no office buildings completed in Prague in Q4 last year, 2023 ended with a new construction volume of 98,400 square meters in 7 projects. Nevertheless, this was the highest result in the past 3 years. Also, no new construction began over the last quarter of last year, extending the period without office construction to a full 18 months. Although the upcoming shortage of new supply will not become fully apparent until 2025, leasing opportunities are already very limited. This is according to a survey by Colliers. And according to Josef Stanko, senior analyst at Colliers, vacancy rates in Prague have long been the lowest compared to other Central and Eastern European capitals, where they are currently in double digits. However, vacancy hangs over Prague like a double-edged sword in the form of lost opportunities. There is space available, but still the market may not have enough leasing opportunities to satisfy all potential incoming foreign investment or existing growth. And finally for today, staying in Prague, Residence Kilkov, a SHAD real estate residential project, is moving into the construction phase. The new development will comprise of 54 units across 3 multi-storey buildings, and construction works expected to be finalised by the end of 2025. And according to Roger Dunlop, CEO at SHD Real Estate, with all the necessary permits secured, we are bringing Residence Kilkov to life. Set in a prime Prague location with excellent connectivity, this development will be defined by attractive architecture, great amenities, and a real sense of community. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join us again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.